This time we come to a product analysis of the hot air comb. This is a product with high popularity and sales. We by many YouTube bloggers have analyzed her. From the number of views we know how much people love this product. First, let's introduce the function of the product. It can straighten hair, curl hair and blow dry hair. So let's listen to the bloggers' comments on this product.
The dupe version is pretty much the same as the red one. You know how much I love this. This is just as good, in my opinion.
It's so easy to use. It leaves my hair. I like it. I like it for my long hair. And yeah, totally recommend. It's super inexpensive.
The same product price, online price difference of $10 to $20. This must be a different quality products. For the production of this product suppliers we really know too much, so this time we took samples from 5 manufacturers with large shipments respectively. 2 of them used the yellow font printing box, the other 3 used the red font printing box. We first labeled the 5 samples. Test the first item, the box. I think B and A have the same material carton, they both relatively thin, only need to gently force will be flattened. When I picked up the C box, I could clearly feel the weight of the box will be much heavier. D and E boxes are also very strong and not easily deformed. Let's look at the weight of each product comparison. The weight means that the product material is thick and thin. Lighter products usually means the use of bad materials. From the touch to compare, the 5 combs are the same hair softness and hardness, but A and B's comb hair is relatively sparse, sample DEF's hair is relatively more dense. A comb shell is ordinary metal. B will add a layer of paint on the metal base to make it more shiny and look more beautiful. The outer box of the C comb uses gold paint to make the product look better, while D and E models of the outer box using an black glossy paint. Now we look at the product switch button. First, let's listen to the sound. Oh, this only has 2 gears? Well, it's very smooth when I changing the gears. Let's look at D. Well, it's not bad, but it's a little tight compared to C. E is also very smooth, not too tight, but C will be more smooth. Look at the wire and plug part. We first feel the softness of the power cord. Wire soft quality is often better, the price of raw materials is also higher. For the rubber cord, power cord is generally not smooth, the line quality is only good, very smooth rubber cord material is actually poorer. Let's see the content of the font on the wire and printing. We found that A and B can withstand smaller values of current than C, D and E. We then test the flexibility of the wire by rotating the wire and the handle link part. The worst flexibility is still B. A and B interface is fixed, which means that it cannot rotate. If you rotate the interface of the power cord, then the wire will be affected. The C, D, E3 models can be turned at any time. Comparison of the length of the 5 wires can see that the length of C, D, E equal, and B is the shortest. Sample C, D, E plug in the metal piece than sample A and B area is larger, which means he can pass more current, is the comb faster heating, and A and B in the socket is easier to loosen. Now let's take apart the handle and look at the inside part. First, let's look at the handle A and B. They both have a relatively rough manufacturing process, some edges are not polished. The other 3 do not have any unpleasant odor. Next, we judge the quality of the motor by the sound of the machine operation. In the heating wire part of the 5 machines are used in the wave-shaped heating wire, which has the advantage of more uniform heat, and the 5 machines are almost the same density. As you can see, the inner cores of A and B are very roughly made, while C, D and E do not. In terms of heatsink, D's workmanship is the best. Let's look at other parts of the comparison. Through this group of pictures you can visually see the difference in quality and manufacturing, which is the reason for the difference in price of the products on the market. If you want more information about the product, please contact us, we will analyze more details of the product for you.